All right, so welcome to our first installment of how to use ChatGPT for brainstorming and idea generation. So I want to just highlight something because early in the course we talked about how machine learning allow computers an opportunity to replicate natural language, and what that is just how we communicate. So I'm using the OpenAI ChatGPT mobile application. This is the mobile application. I can link that for you if you want to be able to download that. But this is how I generate ideas and brainstorm, because for me, it's better if I'm able to talk and able to speak, and ChatGPT can capture what you're saying and transcribe it and take all the words that you're saying and put it into text. And I think this is called dictation or transcription or talk to text. I'm not sure, but I'm actually going to show you how it defines this for me. So inside the mobile application, right, you can see ChatGPT 3.5 or 4. I'm going to use 4. And here you'll see like these voice waves. These voice waves are what you'll push. And when you push this, it'll start recording. And when you record, it'll say, hey, it's capturing what you're recording, and then it'll transcribe it. So I'm just going to show you what this means. I don't know what any of this transcription stuff means either, so I'm going to ask it to define it for me. So, hey, I'm doing a live course on ChatGPT, the mobile application, and I'm trying to define transcription and dictation and talk to text. I think these things are similar, but I'm not sure if they're similar. So could you help me kind of define in detail the difference between transcription, dictation, and talk to text? Maybe there's some similarities, maybe there isn't. So just walk me through that so I can communicate this to the students who are in the classroom. And then you're going to hit stop, and then it's going to say converting to text. And once it converts it to text, you see, hey, I'm doing a live course in ChatGPT on the mobile application. You can even see here how it grammatically changes. It adds commas, like it's sophisticated enough to be able to enhance this for us. So then if we go ahead and we press submit there to see what it says, and then it gives us a course. And now it defines this for us. Transcription is the process of converting audio content to written text. In the context of AI, it's when a computer system transcribes spoken language into written language. So again, we talked about natural language process. Dictation. This is more specific kind of transcription where a person speaks directly into a system. Okay, so we are dictating. And then talk to text is commonly used to describe technology that converts spoken language into written language. Got it. So in conclusion, all of these terms are similar in a sense that they involve the conversion of spoken language into written text, usually facilitated by an AI system, right? So I want to ask this. So when I talk directly into my phone, because now ChatGPT has a mobile application, and when I talk directly into this mobile application and it converts it to text, and then I submit it as a prompt and it defines it for me, how would you classify this? How would you describe this in the context of what I'm doing? I want to communicate this to the students in the course. They're watching live right now. And then it's going to convert this to text. And then as you can see, it captures everything I'm saying. And then if you press submit, it's going to say what it's doing. And what you're describing is a combination of dictation and talk to text, right? So as you can see, right, it's allowed me an opportunity to define this, to describe this, and now you can see it. So I might just entitle this lesson, dictation, talk to text, interacting with ChatGPT. But better yet, I'm going to ask, hey, so I have a module that I'm creating. This is a brainstorming. I'm doing a course on how to teach people to use ChatGPT. And in this module, we're talking about brainstorming and ideation. And I just showed them this example of how you can use ChatGPT to come up with ideas. And in this case, everything that we've just talked about, I want to be able to name this module. What should I call it? Should I call it brainstorming, dictation, talk to text, interacting with ChatGPT? What are some names that I could call this particular module or learning activities? Could you provide for me a couple ideas around that? And then as you can see, it's going to convert this to text. And then it has all the words in there, and I'm going to hit submit. And then it's going to say, hey, voice to value. Oh my goodness. I love that. Voice to value, brainstorming with Chat-GPT, idea generation through dictation, hands-free ideation. I actually love voice to value, brainstorming with Chat-GPT. And we're going to go with that one. I'm going to say, but as you can see, that this is how we can use brainstorming. So I got a couple other activities we're going to do throughout this just so you can get an idea. But this is also introducing a new workflow where you can use dictation. I think what did we call it? We said it's dictation, talk to text, right? You can interact with ChatGPT through dictation and talk to text. So I hope that's helpful in being able to just see a different kind of workflow. Again, this is the mobile application. I'm using my iPad and GPT-4. So we're going to jump into some other ones. I think I have one on copywriting that's really good, which is coming up with ideas in case you're copywriting and you're writing about us section for our brand or our business. But anyway, I hope this is helpful. Certainly drop comments, as you know. And if you have any insights you want to be able to share, please do. All right. Thank you so much, y'all. Peace.